मना रहे हैं। आपका दावत का भी शुक्रिया सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन का, और आई एम इनक्रेडिबली ग्रेटफुल, ऑनर्ड, प्रिविलेज्ड, हम्बल्ड कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार का इस फोरम पे, प्रिविलेज्ड, हम्बल्ड कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार का इस फोरम पे आपने मुझे ये दावत दिया, और शायद मैं पहले वो सियासी रहनुमा हूँ जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के प्रेमिसेस पे इस फोरम से खिताब कर रहा हूँ। तो I'm truly honored and humbled. It is indeed a privilege. And we appreciate the role of the bar in upholding the law, rule of law, constitutionalism, and human rights in Pakistan. We appreciate that the bar has played this role regardless of the political inclinations of individual members of the bar and the office bearers of the Bar Association. The nation values this bipartisan struggle against dictatorship waged by the legal fraternity. This indeed raises our hopes in democracy and fighting dictatorship. We salute your courage, your determination in the relentless struggle for the rule of law in Pakistan. This is the 50th anniversary of the Constitution of Pakistan that was given to the country by my grandfather, Qaid-e-Awam Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, with the invaluable support of all political parties, of the right and the left and the center, whether of democratic and secular inclinations or religious persuasions. The unanimous constitution given by the political parties and leaders at the time also had the backing of all the federating units of our federation. This consensus is no small achievement. Let there be no doubt or mistake about it. Under the leadership of Qaid-e-Awam, the political leaders of the time rose above political partisanship, a value that has since systematically eroded over the years. One